Hey guys, in this video I'm going to show you how to get Marvel Contest of Champions promo codes. If you find this video helpful, please consider to like this video and subscribe to my channel. In saying that, let's just jump straight into the video. Alright, the first thing what we want to do is open up a web browser. And now what we want to do is do a Google search for Pocket Gamer. And now head into pocketgamer.com. And then where it says search for games, we need to type in Marvel Contest of Champions codes. And then hit enter. And now once you're here, scroll down and you want to look for Marvel Contest of Champion codes. And this is updated for March 2025. So if we scroll down on this page, you can have a read here and then it'll say new Marvel Contest of Champion codes. So you got a whole bunch here. And then also they got expired codes, so these ones no longer work. And now to redeem them, simply you'll get a pop-up code like this one here in Marvel Contest of Champions, where you enter your code and click apply code. And then they got a quick how to redeem. So step 1, go to Contest of Champions shop page, log into your account, scroll down, and where it reads promo codes, type in your code and then hit the apply button.